Hello, this is Arya. Welcome to Orissa Post Live and you are watching today's top headlines. Hundreds of contractual teachers today staged a demonstration at Lower PMG in Bhubaneswar over non-regularization of jobs. The teachers alleged that they were recruited as contractual teachers in 2015. Though the advertisement notification stated that their jobs would be regularized after 6 years, it is yet to be implemented by the state government. As many as 9 places in Odisha have recorded night temperatures below 11 degrees Celsius in the last 24 hours. Daringbadi was the coldest place with a minimum temperature of 6.5 degrees Celsius, followed by Fulbani 7.5 degrees Celsius, Koraput 9 degrees Celsius, Titlagarh 9.3 degrees Celsius, Jharsuguda and Keonjhar 9.6 each, Sundargarh and Bhawanipatna 10 degrees Celsius each, and Chandbali 10.8 degrees Celsius each, IMD said Friday. A Naxal camp was busted following an exchange of fire with the Red Rebels at Jholapara area under Sinapalli police limits in Nuapada district Thursday. Police SP Pratyush Divakar said Friday. Several Naxal materials including medicines, jackets, radio, Maoist literature and other articles have been recovered from the camp. An electric scooter caught fire near Lakshmi Narayanpur village under Pipli block of Puri district Friday. The mother-daughter duo riding the vehicle, however, escaped unharmed as they abandoned the vehicle as soon as smoke started coming out of it. The Supreme Court today stayed an ongoing inquiry into Pegasus snooping allegations, which is headed by former Supreme Court Judge Madan B. Lokur and has been appointed by West Bengal government. A bench headed by Chief Justice N.V. Ramana expressed dissatisfaction over the inquiry. There are 101 cases of Omicron variant across 11 states in India. The Health Ministry said today, warning that 19 districts are at high risk of a surge in COVID-19 cases. Based on the progression of Omicron in the UK, India could see a devastating 14 lakh cases daily, the ministry warned. There were 66 unknown Indian origin fighters affiliated with the global terrorist group Islamic State, the latest US State Department report on terrorism has said. No foreign terrorist fighters were repatriated to India during 2020, the report added. Miss World 2021 has been temporarily postponed due to health and safety interest of contestants, staff, crew and general public. Several participants including Miss India Manasa Varanasi have tested positive for COVID-19, the pageant announced in a social media post today. Kidanbi Srikanth assured himself of his medal as he entered the men's single semi-final after a dominant performance, but defending champion PV Sindhu lost to familiar foe Tai Tzu Ying in the women's section of the BWF World Badminton Championships being held in Spain today. 28-year-old Srikanth, a former world number 1, will be the third Indian man to win medal in the World Championships after legendary Prakash Padukone's bronze in 1983 and B. Sai Pranith's bronze in 2019. That's all for today's top headlines. To stay updated, keep watching Orissa Post Live.